Yo guys, let's create a free speech. That limit is unlimited and it's absolutely free. Just search SpeechMa and create your own trending voice by yourself, and in this video I also sponsoring SpeechMa. Because it also good and the best. Now go to Guru Google and choose the text that he tells you. Now just throw the text in the text box and choose voice effect, and you also choose language and the voice of girl or boy as you want. I like the trending Jamal test trend. Now enter the code that written and click on generate voice. Yes.
Hey everyone! Today is the big day. We are finally going to put Jamal to the test. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, and the stakes couldn't be higher. I want to know right now, are you guys ready to see how he handles the heat, or are you not prepared for what's about to go down?
I really like this text. If you want to add some tone, so search Google AI Studio. I use this for making voice and online speeches with great voice. There is no limit for generate, just right. Generate. Enjoy. Bye for now, and do not forget to subscribe for more info.